there was all these voids. Over the years, it's like, boy, if I could go to a class and kind of put this all together, it sure would help. And lo and behold, here at Axiom, you put together that class, and it really solidified my understanding of how to apply that software.
You know, there's people here that have 20 years in some aspect of the woodworking business, and there's some people that are like me that have not got any experience in this, and so they're very willing to share their experiences. And there's one guy here that's an engineer by training, has been in this business for a long time, and I would hear him say, oh, that's it. Oh, now I get it. Okay, now. So there was a lot to be taken from, you know, especially me, but from people that have been in the business 20 years, there's really some good stuff going down here.
Just learning the different aspects and just realizing exactly that there is no limit to what you can do with a CNC machine, that there's endless possibilities. It's very well worthwhile. It's something that you could spend forever here and still learn something. Like, even though this is the level 1 course and I've taken it, I feel like I could come back and next time even learn something else from it. I definitely highly recommend it to others that have a CNC machine.
I can't believe the equipment, what it does, and I'm seeing things here that I hadn't read about on the internet or on anybody's websites. One of the things I enjoyed, we're from a school, and we got to meet with people that are in business and stuff, and their things are a little bit different than what we do, but we can gain from their knowledge and their experience. There was a gentleman here that's been in a business for over 20 years doing, you know, backdrops and stuff like that. So his knowledge and expertise in that area really helps to support what he's doing now with the CNC machine and how we might do some of those things.
Just because you have no experience prior to coming into the class like we did, you know, we felt like we were able to grasp a lot of the concepts, and this has superseded our expectations. Like, I've learned so much. It's been a crash course, but I guess, you know, there's so many different things that I realized that you can do with the CNC that I didn't even know before I came here.
The demonstration was definitely worthy to bring people in, to introduce them to the equipment. There were a lot of questions I felt that I could answer having used the equipment, and they sequenced the assembly to the point where it was very understandable. I think I'm going to be able to do this. I'm scheduled to come back next month because I can't wait to see what's next.
The training class was, I thought, excellent, and I think it would be applicable to anybody that's thinking about getting a CNC machine or already has one, that it will expedite their learning curve to actually apply their knowledge to the software and how to get it from the software into the machine. I think the class would be a must for anybody interested in CNC work, and here at Axiom, I think, was an excellent place for me to gain that knowledge and see the machines, how they apply to your machine, my machine. It just is a universal class that can touch everyone.